So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Meghu Talks, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how to add story or status on your Facebook account. So let's start the video. So guys, first go to your Facebook account and tap to create your story or the plus sign in the top right. Now you can see everything in your gallery is going to display here. Select any one pic or video, and if you want to add multiple pics or videos, then tap to select multiple in top right. I am going to choose only one video to show you. So just select one and then tap to share to story in the bottom right. Just refresh once and you can see your video is added. And see, it's all done. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and tell me how my video was in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. Thank you so much.